I have a few questions for you. Do you have a minimalist bike that doesn't have any storage to carry anything? Perhaps you just want to keep your bike nice, simple, and clean looking for that photo opportunity. Perhaps you don't have that much stuff to carry with you when you're out for a ride. Or maybe even you're just running to the local coffee shop to grab a bag of beans. Maybe you need to compensate for your small fuel tank. Allow me to introduce the SW Motech LT1 bag. Small magnetic fuel tank bag. It is 3 liters. But wait, do you need to grab a snack for movie night with your significant other and you know that they like to take some of your snacks, so maybe you need to double up the size and make it 5.5 liters so you can fit more in there. This could be the perfect bag that you have been looking for. So this bag is nice, small. It's pretty much perfect with my 2.4 liter fuel tank, as well as it actually comes in a black edition to match the bobber black. So this bag also comes with a tank sticker to keep scratching it down to a minimum if you are a everyday user, as well as it does come with some straps. The material, which is synthetic leather and wax canvas, which if you're vegan, this is a huge plus. It is water resistant, as well as it does come with a rain cover to make it fully waterproof if you are commuting using this bag. One of the best things about it being magnetic with a nice firm handle is if you need to walk away real quick, running late to work, or maybe school, you got your lunch in here, you're ready to go. So this is the first outing with this bag, running up to the local coffee shop to grab a few bags of beans. Left a poll on my community tab to see how many bags of coffee you guys think I can get in here. If you guys still want to play, go down in the comments right now and let me know what your thoughts are, and we're going to make our way to the coffee shop so we can find out. Let's go. Also, if you want to keep your eyes on the road, but you need to see something on the bag, you can just pick it up and block your view completely. Don't actually do that though. All right, let's see how many bags we can fit in here. So, just checked the last update of how many bags you thought was 1, 2, 3, and 4 bags. So let's see if we can actually expand this and get them all in there. So you do have a nice little cubby hole to put your phone or GoPro batteries in. Oh no, it got really tight really fast. These little clips off. Why not put them right in here? There's no way the 4th one's gonna fit. Okay guys, 3 is the max. Maybe. Let's try to do it one other way. Look at that. There we go. We got 4 in there. There's 4 bags of 12 ounces, so you're looking right at 3 pounds of coffee in this bag now. Wait a second. So, I don't know if this is gonna work. This being first thoughts video. I'm gonna throw this bad boy on there just in case. Alright, so now we have about 13 miles home, so let's jump on the bike, make it there. Alright, so we just made it to the neighborhood. Luckily the safety strap didn't need to be used. It actually stayed on here, which I'm pretty surprised because it's so packed. You can see that it can't really concave to the tank anymore, but like I said, about 13 miles. Majority of it was around 60 miles an hour, 100K. And I do have to say I'm honestly shocked that it stayed on. I thought it was going to come off with how it doesn't really concave, which is why I put this little loop around my fuel cap, but it didn't actually need to be used. So also something else that I forgot to mention, if you guys are using this for anything besides coffee, there's actually a little cutout here where if you have a battery pack in here, you can have it run out to charging your phone in the pocket, or even if you use the phone for GPS, you can just take the bag, flip it around, and have it like that. So if you guys like this why can I not say first? So if you guys like this first look at the SW Motech LT1 tank bag, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and participate in the polls and see what we have going on next. Wow.
No, let's go back home.